Don't you just love candles? Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope we are all having a good day. Today I've just popped into Dunelm and I'm so excited to bring you all along with me to show you all their new hints and what's on sales. As you can see, they have lots of things on sale at the moment. So grab a cup of tea or a cup of coffee or whatever drink you like and sit down and enjoy this tour. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Most of their interior decors right here are actually on markdown sales. Some of them are 20%, some of them are 30%. So you might want to get into Dunelm to grab some of these items for yourself. But don't go yet though. Let's finish with the video before you leave, okay? Look at the hourglass right up there. I didn't even know people use them in real life. What do you think they use them for? I've only seen them in movies and I just thought, yeah, they use it to check time in movies where they don't have clocks and watches. If you know what people use them for in real life, let me know down in the comment section below. I know some of Dunelm's items are always pricey, but you just have to get there at the right time. Just like now, they're having this big markdown sale. You'll be surprised what you could get right in the store at the moment. They've got all this beautiful interior plant decor. These are actually artificial plants, by the way. This tiger head right here, I like it. That is actually on 50% markdown sales. Oh, look at the orchid. I actually like the silver pot and the orchid is going for £16 at the moment. Dunelm has a lot of silver interior pieces. As you can see, I like those vases at the bottom there. They look nice. And look at all those glass vases as well. These are really nice. Look at those tall ones. They almost, that tall one at the bottom, they almost look like latte glass. Boy, a massive latte glass. I like this there colorful interior decor. They look really nice. This kind of pop of color give the house a nice brightness, don't you think? Oh, look at those plants. I like those plants up there. Sometimes Dunelm, you can get confused with their prices when they're having their sales because they just kind of like model all the prices up with everything. So sometimes you need to just ask for, you know, an assistant to let you know what the actual prices are. Are you all seeing what I'm saying? These are just lovely. I've got no words. They are just nice. I think those are for, I don't know, outdoor decor because those are quite big. Oh, look at those swan. I like that. Oh, one of my favorite beads, candles, diffusers. If you've seen some of my video, you would notice that I always get hyped with candles. I don't know. I just love everything that smells nice. Give the house a lovely smell. You know, you open the door and everything just smells summery, really bright, nice, beautiful, oceany. Just give me the lovely scents. I'm loving sandalwood and lang lang at the moment. I mean, they smell really nice. They really smell nice. You can let me know what candle scent I should try down below. Thank you. This painting right here was £15 and now it's £7.50. So this is one of their 50% sales. I like this heart shape one here. They have some pretty decent paintings. Some of them not so much, you know, if we're being honest. Like, I do not like this one right here because I don't even know what that is. It's a mountain. What is it? The tag right here is going for £32 and this lady paintings, I'm guessing they're ladies, these are going for £10. Oh, I like this wall hat right here. Our family doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. And that is going for £16 right now. Oh, look at this clock. I like this. These are going for £15 from 20, so just £5 difference. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's not on sale. That's not on sale. Oh, these are lovely as well. and these are going for £32 at the moment. Wow, that's good price. And this mirror is going for £28. Don't mind me, I had to make time for a video shoot, right? Yes, I had to. They've got some nice beddings right here, and most of them are on 20% sale, so you should get into Dunelm to get some for yourself. They have really lovely ones. So I just want to show you the prices down here so you can see. Some of them are quite pricey, but it helps with a 20% sale, so not too bad. Is it just me, or does it happen to you all as well, that when you've got a new bed set and you change your bedding, it feels like you can sleep forever? But of course not. You remember you have kids, so yeah, no sleeping forever here, because they will not let you, the little ones. I like this ones right here. I like the colors, white and green, really looks nice. And some of them are on 50% sale, while the rest of them are on 20% sale. So it depends on whichever one you are picking up for yourself. I like the blue sets right here. As you can see, the king size one is £19.20 and the double one is £16. So to me, that's not a bad price. This ones right here are definitely the winter beddings. They're so thick, so yeah, if you want to be prepared before the winter comes, they're on sales right now, so you can pick them up. I absolutely love their cushions. They have different varieties, I mean different colors. They're so nice, but not all of them are on sales, just a few of them are on sales. The nice looking ones, they're not on sales. I mean, you can see. Oh, I love this colorful one here. Oh, £22. Oh. More lovely cushions right here. I'm just looking at them. I want you to see them all so you can be able to make your choice. These are nice. Oh, look at this peacock one. It's so lovely, and this is selling for £16. Look at the tiger head one, and that's going for £10. More lovely cushions. Oh, look at that one. Is that a magpie? That looks nice. Hey, quick reminder, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. You know, we cannot talk about throw cushions without talking about throw blankets. Look at all these lovely throw blankets right here, and most of them are on 30% sales. I like this one, this green and white one here. It's nice, and it's going for £12. They're also nice. Well, not the beige one, not so much. Oh, I like the red one as well. That's nice. The store really has lots of nice, amazing looking throw blankets, for real. Look at them. This is their towel aisle. They are doing sales on this. They have sales, I think they're 20% sales on all this. And look at this color right here. Don't you just love looking at this? Look at this funny looking towel ring and the toilet roll holder. These are just funny, but they're quite pricey too though, like £14 for this one. I like this tier 3 bathroom storage. They have this vintage look to it and makes them look really nice and unique. And these are laundry basket, and those are going for 20% off. Oh, look at this lovely storage here. It looks like all the X-Mac, the sport treasure boxes. And these white ones right here are going for £15 right now. So I think those are the original prices. Oh, have I just walked into a wedding hall? Guys, look at all those beautiful flowers right here. Look at all this. Don't you think they look lovely? Oh my goodness, these are really nice. These are really nice. I checked the prices. They They range it from £2.50 to £10. It depends on which, how big or how small the flowers are, but don't they just look really nice? And here are the big plants, and they are going for £30 right here. Look at this. They're really nice. These are artificial plants, by the way. They're not the real ones. Let me give you the 360 view of this plant. It's a really lovely hallway plant or living room. It depends on how you want to use it. Really nice. And here is their lighting section. They've got beautiful lightings. Look at that one at the bottom there. That's nice. This funny looking one here with the monkey is going for £63.20 at the moment. This is funny. The store does have lots of beautiful lightings and lamps. They actually do. I mean, they have lots of them, and it'll be difficult for you to even choose if you find one that has got a good price. Oh, these little lamps here are really nice. I think they are reading lamps. The bunny lamps looks nice, and that's going for £38. I like this little dog with a crown. This is really nice, and this is going for £17.50. It's so cute. Oh, look at the dog with umbrella. This is nice. I told you they've got lovely lamps in here and lightings. Look at the tiger as well. That's going for £15. And the parrot as well. That's nice too, but that's £40. That's a little bit pricey. These are beautiful lampshades, and these are on 20% off discount. Just take your pick. And here is their kitchen aisle with all the nice plates and cups. Oh, look at this one here. I haven't seen something with that design in a long time. That's nice. And the teapot as well, which is going for £10, as you can see there. I like the jugs. Those are nice. And look at the ones with the animals on them. Those are really nice. And the butter dish for £3.50. But there's another price that says £12. I was quite confused there. That's why I said earlier, if you're confused about the prices, you just get someone from the store to help you out with them. I like the sets right here as well. Look at the penguin jug. This is nice, and that's going for £12. And this polka dot plates as well. They're really nice. Those ones are on sales, so they've reduced their price quite a lot. I like these gray sets right here. They're nice. They're quite nice. This beads with the polka dot, not polka dot, but a little bit of spike in them. I do not like these ones very much. I do not like them at all. These bead sets are quite nice, bright and lovely. Oh, and it comes with the cushions as well. Oh, look at this lunchbox set. I like those with the animals on them, and they come with their bottles and their tiny cutleries as well for the little ones. And look at the mugs. These are nice. Oh, so colorful as well. And some of them are on sales right now. Oh, well, just some of them. I hope you all have enjoyed the store walkthrough with me. Thank you all for coming along with me on the store. Please don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe to my channel, and you might let me know what other store you would like me to visit next. Do have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.